Welcome to Mastering Construction Project Management. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the real-world skills, tools, and techniques needed to manage construction projects efficiently and confidently. So, what exactly is construction project management? It's the art and science of planning, coordinating, and overseeing construction projects from start to finish, ensuring they are delivered on time, within budget, and according to specifications. It involves managing people, materials, equipment, and information across all phases, from design and procurement to execution and handover. In simple terms, a construction project manager turns blueprints into buildings while balancing costs, timelines, risks, and stakeholder needs. A construction project involves multiple players. Let's look at the main stakeholders. 1. The owner or client, the one who initiates and finances the project. 2. The project manager, the planner, coordinator, and risk mitigator who ensures the project moves forward as planned. 3. The architect and engineers, the designers and technical experts. 4. The general contractor, the firm that builds the project on site. 5. Subcontractors, specialists like electricians, plumbers, steelworkers. 6. Consultants, cost consultants, safety inspectors, and environmental assessors. Communication and collaboration between these roles is critical for project success. Construction projects follow a structured life cycle. Here are the 5 major phases. 1. Initiation, where the idea becomes a formal project with goals and feasibility studies. 2. Planning. Detailed design, budget, schedule, and risk management strategies are created. 3. Execution. The physical work begins, from site mobilization to construction. 4. Monitoring and controlling. Ongoing oversight of quality, budget, and schedule, with adjustments made as needed. 5. Closeout. Final inspections, handover to the client, and documentation. Each phase builds on the last, and good planning early on reduces rework and cost overruns later. Without effective project management, even the most well-funded construction projects can suffer from delays, cost blowouts, and disputes. With strong construction project management, resources are used efficiently, risks are anticipated and mitigated, teams stay aligned and productive, clients are satisfied with the outcome. In essence, project management transforms vision into reality, safely, efficiently, and sustainably. Now that you have an overview of construction project management, let's dive deeper. In the next video, we'll explore the initiation phase, from feasibility to project charter. Don't forget to like, follow, and move on to the next lesson. Let's keep building.